How to use promo code on the Home Depot app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. First off, open up your web browser or the application and go to homedepot.com. Now make sure to log into your account before you do any of that. And once logged in, you should find the Me section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll be able to find your account dashboard, purchase history, your cards and accounts, and your profile. So if you tap on your profile option, here you'll find all of the information about your profile. Now, in order to use the promo code, you will have to add certain items to your cart. So just go to your cart, add an item, then you can proceed to the checkout page. Select the item and then go to checkout. Once that is done, here you will be asked to enter your payment method. So enter your information. And if you have a promo code, just tap on this option and then enter your promo code here. Just tap on apply promo, and if it's valid, then you should be able to get a certain amount of discounts on the code. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.